Hello friend, today I want to introduce this Deadbolt Lock Pro Max. Why called Pro Max means with multiple features, something face recognition with cat eye, indoor with screen, something like this, okay. Two multis, this is really large, and this is Deadbolt, okay, we can use for this for unlock, indoor and one button for lock, and with the anti-lock button, okay, this is the anti-lock button for access control, okay, and it can be application with Tuya Smart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi OEM introduced one by one. First we check the basic. Basic can already register my face. So let me check. Okay. Basic. Okay, I use my face for unlock. Okay, this is my face for unlock. So we can one key for lock. And by the card and the password. Okay, I check my password. We check. We use the Bluetooth for unlock. Okay. Okay, this is the Bluetooth page. Okay, so we can click for unlock. Okay, and then we can use something like this for lock. Also, we can. Okay. And one key button for lock. And we ring the doorbell, okay. Ring the doorbell, okay. It got the notification for remotely unlock. So here with the notification page, maybe a moment, okay. Ring a doorbell again. Here, and maybe Wi-Fi signal is not so good in here, so I can unlock for remotely request from ring doorbell for the lock. So we can use the application Tuya Smart Bluetooth to also for lock. Okay. So if we stay indoor with a screen, okay. We can see from the indoor room goes through the cat eye, see outside. Also, here is the key position. We can use the key for unlock. Okay, and now we can take out the key. Okay, but here my fingerprint not registered, so it's not registered, so I cannot unlock. So hope you like this Deadbolt Pro Max lock, and hope it fit your market.